Welcome to the world of data science, where innovation and insights converge. In 2023, the top 5 technologies you should learn as a data scientist are: Number 1. Python. Python, the go-to language for data science. From data manipulation to machine learning and deep learning, Python's versatility empowers you to unlock the true potential of your data. Number 2. TensorFlow. TensorFlow, the framework for cutting-edge machine learning. Dive into the realm of neural networks and leverage TensorFlow's power to build and train complex models with ease. Number 3. Apache Hadoop. Apache Hadoop, the big data platform of choice. Master this distributed processing framework to handle massive datasets and derive valuable insights from vast amount of information. Number 4. R. R, the statistical programming language. With its extensive library ecosystem and robust statistical capabilities, R enables you to explore, analyze, and visualize data like a pro. Number 5. NLP. Natural language processing, the gateway to understand human language. Learn NLP techniques and tools to extract meaning, sentiment, and context from text data, opening new frontiers in data science.